Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Over here, we do digital budgeting as well as credit card reconciliations, paycheck to paycheck budgets. We figure them out, what we're going to allocate them, and we also close them out. We do monthly budgets. We do sinking funds, saving challenge, anything you want. I'm here. We do use Google Sheets to make it easier. And I have a few new Etsy sheets that I had to purchase because I had accidentally deleted the ones I created. And that's where we're at right now. So if any of that interests you, please go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you're not new here, I know you already hit that like button because we here. Okay. And it's free. So it's not going to cost you nothing to hit that subscribe button. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm currently trying to get my hours up to hit my 1,000, get to my 1,000 and get my hours up. If you want to help your girl run a playlist, thank you very much. But today we're going to be doing a closeout of the credit cards at the end of this week because it is Saturday. There's a lot of Amazon purchase because I did buy things from Amazon Prime, but I do want to get those reconciled and ready to go. Also been working on the quality, so let me know if the quality is better. The last time I tried to work on the quality and had this set up, the picture was good, but the words weren't matching up with my mouth, so I'm trying something different, and I'm praying that it's loud enough for y'all to hear, as well as we're not kung fu flicking it up where you can actually hear what I'm saying. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is our saver card here, but I think it might be easiest to start with our other card because everything on here Quicksilver has already cleared. We have all of these transactions to clear. Okay, let me move my face. So unfortunately, because Amazon tends to send out their packages one at a time and then build them one at a time because they're from different shops and whatnot, they're not all on the same. It's hard to break it up sometimes. So I did go ahead and print out all of my little shopping receipts, and I broke it down on the shopping receipt. So hopefully we can figure it out. Okay. So this 1208, hold on, let me put them in order to make our lives easier. Okay, guys, so it turns out when we have two receipts that are actually for this credit card, even though they broke it down so many times. So this 1208 is actually just for wallpaper. This is the wallpaper plus the text. You will see all of these in my Amazon haul on my other channel. I'll make sure I link my other channel down below. It's Tara Gay Nicole, but you'll see it if you want to see that. If you want to see what I bought, you can check it out over there. But it's 1208 and it was for some wallpaper. And that's part of my guest room project makeover. So that actually belongs in my humble home. Why am my face big again? So in our expenses over here, also let me know down in the comments if this is too small, because let me just make it a little bit bigger just in case it is. Ooh, and then I almost lose my face. This is what happens. Okay, so on this receipt was from the 12th, and it was 1208, and this is for my humble home. Okay, good, it's over there. Thank you. And this was wallpaper. Ooh, why do I keep hitting that button? Okay, so next we have, now this is where it's actually going to get real easy because the next receipt I have in my hand has a total of $88.68. That included the rewards points of $55.17. That doesn't show here because the rewards points comes out differently. However, if we add all of what's left on the screen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these should all equal to $88.68. Okay. So let's do a quick addition. We have 377 plus 458 plus 827 plus 1667 plus 3639 plus $19. That's $88.68, and that's exactly what this receipt was for. Now, there are a few wants on here, but what I did was I decided that the wants were going to be a part of the credit card rewards money that you don't see. So for instance, I bought two drop earrings, Bottega dupes, for $11.24 each. The wants did not equal the whole 57. Let's put it like that. So all the rest of this, I'm saying all of that to say the rest of this is going to my humble home as well, because there was a lot of things that equals the 88, more than the 88, that were all for the home. So that's why all of this is going to the home. I hope that made sense. Just put it like the $57 in rewards were going to like the wants, which were like some earrings and I have a pair on here, but I don't know what that is. Oh, it was like a necklace, just earrings and necklace. They were nowhere near the $57, but I took them out of that, which doesn't show here. And then the rest of these were actually, some of these were actually for like this $36.39 was for a bed frame. They were for house things. So the 88, 868 is also going out of the humble home account. I hope that made sense. Okay. And we're just going to put various here. All right, and that basically has reconciled that. That means that we need to take out $100.76, which should be the total here. $100.76, and we're going to make a payment from the My Humble Home account. $100.76. Continue, and we're going from My Humble Home all the way down here. Tara, go to the top right there. My Humble Home, and choose this account. And today, submit. Success. We made a payment for $100.76. That should come out probably sometime next week. And we've got all of our money back. $4,700. Done. Now, let's move on to our Saver card. Now, I really wanted to do this because I felt I hope y'all can't hear those alerts. I should have turned that off the phone before I started. Lesson learned if y'all can hear them. But so on the Saver card is where most of the groceries, gas, self-care, and everything has been going. And because it's a new week and I'm about to do groceries and all that, I really wanted to close this out. So let's move on to the now. So we made payments here. We have $19.59. That is from gas. As you can see, I have not been back. Okay, I have not been back to the gas station for snacks. Although I might go today because I'm allowing myself one day out of the week, and that will be Saturday today. But I did good. I'm proud of myself, y'all. Proud of myself. I said I wasn't going to do it, and I didn't do it. Okay, moving on. So 1954 on the 12th, that was for gas. 1954 gas on original. So this was last week's gas. And then we have by now sell small, but what I did was pedicure. So on the 12th, I also went and got a pedicure. That was $52. That included a $10 tip, so it cost me $42. And that will come out of self-care, the original self-care. And then we have these things that have not come out yet. So technically, we should only have $71.54, but that's not what it says. So I'm sorry, we didn't do this Amazon purchase. So this $16.19 was for a bridal shower gift, actually, for someone. And it was, like I said, 4 glasses, glass with like that container, the wood container top, and 4 glass straws. It was on her registry from Amazon, so I picked it up. Now, I don't think I have enough in Treat Your Friends or anything like that, so I might just end up taking it out of my humble home. Although it's a gift for someone. But wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me check real quick. So Treat Your Friends, because I think I moved some money in there, actually, when I was cleaning out my 0-hour challenge. Oh, good. Treat Your Friends has $27. So I will put it where it's supposed to go. Treat Your Friends is kind of like my giving. And so that Amazon purchase from the 14th that cleared is $16.19, and it's going to go to come out. Oh, I don't know that I have that as a category up top. So I might have to add that in expenses. Move it this way. And she don't. So uh did I just write it? Maybe I just write it. Expenses. Treat. Let's call it giving for right now. How does it get a total? Did I have sweet your friends already? Okay, I don't know. I did when I bought groceries for grandma. Okay, so I already had giving. Okay, so giving was already there, and so the 1619 is going to come out of that, and then we have these that are pending. So currently we have 8773, which is what's due 8773. However, I do want to note that we have $12.29. So although this has not come out yet, I'm going to put it on this date only because I want to allocate out for it in eating out. And you're disrespectful. You see me. Okay. Eating out. And that's because I'm not going to leave these till they clear. I'm going to act like I don't have to pay this yet. But I want it to come out and show on my budget because I want to see where we're at with the budget money, if that makes any sense for those cashless envelopes. All right. So where we at? So we're going to go ahead and make our payment. Okay, first, before we do that, like this is all new to me, y'all, on this spreadsheet at least. So when it comes to expenses, you will see right here our gas, groceries, self-care, and eating out. We're over budget on a lot of them because it's automatically calculating. So right now, we have extra in self-care and we have extra in gas, but we went over in eating out and groceries. So we're actually over by $17.34. Over budget, like in the negative. So let me go over to my cashless money here. 292. Where is this? So we had 220 put in from this pay period. So minus 292, $72. And it's $72 left from this week that we're working with, but we actually owe $87. So I can take the full amount that we owe out and then have less for next week, which I don't think is fair. So I'm going to see where I can take that extra $20 from to cover. I'm going to take it from my buffer account. So I have a buffer account called Build Your Buffer, and it has $250 in it, which is what I really want. But I'm going to go ahead and transfer the additional overage. Let's just call it $20. And I'm going to transfer $20 from Build a Buffer. It doesn't always go like you want, right? So do what I need to do to my cash envelopes money account, and $20. It's really supposed to be for bills, but it is what it is, to cover cash envelope overage. Actually, you know what? I don't want to give myself too much extra money, y'all. So I'm going to, because I'm really trying to learn to stick to this budget. So I'm going to be for real, and $17.34. So I'm going to put $18. $18, transfer that over there. Success, $18 was transferred. Now I'm going to go back, and we should have a little bit more of my cash money, right? That works. So now, since this 12 hasn't actually been paid, I'm just going to leave it there and know the money's sitting in there to cover the overage. But I am going to take the self-care money and the gas money out and pay on this card, so we can have the total of 87. Rude. 87.73. So I'm going to make a payment of $16.19 out of, okay, wait about $16.19 I wonder if I can make. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me see if I can. Will it let me make $100.12? No, it won't let me make more than a certain amount. I was trying to get away with it. But anyway, so I'm gonna make my these two 71.54 payment, and that's gonna come out of cash envelope money, which I swear is all the way down here, but then it don't be. Okay. And then it isn't. I mean, and then July 15th, submit 71.54. Thank you for your payment. So success. This one I'm going to leave in orange because technically we put it on here, but we really haven't paid it yet. So I want to give myself a signal like, girl, you still need to pay that. And then 16.19, we're going to make a payment of $16.19. And that's going to come from Treat Your Friends account. Not Treat Yourself. Why is Treat Yourself here twice? Why? Where's Treat Your Friends? Choose this account and make this payment of $16.19. Thank you for your payment. Amazing. So now we know, if we look and see the two payments that are scheduled here, we realize that we have $16.19 plus $71.54, which equals $87.73. And that's it, you guys. Now we have paid, we're scheduled to pay both of our credit cards off for this past week's things. And that also includes the Amazon purchases that I have made outside of the two that are still pending on this card. I don't believe anything else is coming through on this card. I think everything is cleared on that one. This one will have two more things. I believe this is a spice from Tabitha Brown, and this is, I believe, a magnetic board and something else possibly. I'm not 100%. Yeah, this was for the magnetic board and two spices, and this is for the extra spice. So once those two come through next week, plus the Popeyes, we should be good with Amazon, and we could really start monitoring that money situation again. But that's it, y'all. We have went ahead and let me see what's going on over here. We have, let's make this a little bit smaller. Let me know, like I said, down below if you can see this, because I really don't want you not to be able to see what I'm doing. But yeah, everything looks okay. Currently, we are over. Rich, it's like, ma'am, you are over. But we took care of most of that's going on. I do really want to get to a point where I could just use one spreadsheet instead of the monthly and this paycheck to paycheck, but I haven't quite figured it out yet, but I will work on that, you guys. But anyway, this is the end of that video for us reconciling both credit cards. They've been reconciled. You guys know where my money went to. We've tracked all our expenses on both credit cards, and we paid them both. So we're starting this week off fresh. I can go get groceries and all that and feel like this is what I'm working with, which is $40 for the week. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be grateful, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. If you don't have time to comment, go ahead and drop me an emoji. Anything really helps my channel at this point. And it's faith over fear this year, y'all. But not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever. Also, I'll be trying to stick to using just one credit card. So we just have to reconcile one going forward at this point. All right, guys. Bye.